The KATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the wet pattern, the unsettled pattern continues, but by Friday afternoon, we're going to settle on a little sunshine and a nice looking weekend. So that is the silver lining ahead. So as we take a look at the big picture, here we go. At upper level low that we knew was going to be bringing us the soaking for tomorrow was pretty much on track. Subtropical jet stream keeping the overcast clouds and occasional showers across our region. Farther to the west and north, though, it's been frozen precipitation. There's been some big freezing rain accumulations and sleet accumulations across Texas, especially into the hill country, where there are more than 250,000 people without power right now. Half-inch glaze across from Austin on northwestward, and then to the west of Dallas as well, and still a wintry mix in around the DFW area. Farther south and east over toward Houston, just plain showers. That's what we've been dealing with. We had a round of showers moving on through during the course of this afternoon, and probably misty sprinkles left over that we're going to see that mist for the rest of the night through the overnight hours. You can see on Power Doppler 3 we have still some shower activity showing up extreme northern portions of Acadia Parish on northward. We'll kind of zoom on in and show you that shower activity near the Basile, Elton area, just to the south of Basile and heading toward Eunice as well. And then farther to the north we do have some sporadic shower activity between Mamu and Pine Prairie, and then north and east of the Chico area heading into Bunkie, southern Avoyelles Parish. We're seeing some pretty decent rains, just enough to keep the ground wet, the windshield wipers going nonstop, and much the same over towards Simsport. Most of the precip south of Marksville for right now, but you'll get some later on tonight. We do expect more passing showers overnight tonight in the 30 to 40% range, but as we head into tomorrow, that's when rain and thunderstorms are expected. Mostly rain, some embedded thunder. We're not expecting severe weather, so that is the good news. Remember yesterday we were talking about that Storm Prediction Center outlook. Well, that's been taken out of the equation for Louisiana, but a rumble of thunder here or there possible. I think highest rain chances during the noon hour. We'll see a slow tapering of the rainfall into tomorrow afternoon and evening, and here comes the good stuff. I still think we'll have clouds first thing Friday morning. Models always try to get rid of those stratiform clouds early, but by Friday afternoon we should be mostly sunny. It's going to be chilly though, temperatures in the mid 50s, and as you start Friday morning, wind chills will be in the 30s once again. Friday night, Saturday morning, our actual temperatures get down into the mid 30s. We'll go 34 for Lafayette, but there will be some spots in northern portions of Acadiana that see a light freeze, not a major issue. Notice the rainfall the graph model is giving Lafayette, about 32/100ths of an inch. So let's take a look at that graph model. Remember yesterday I was saying the models are not that high on a whole lot of rainfall. Here we have 0.4 of an inch of rain, perhaps rounded out in Lafayette, an inch or two possible, but each and one of these Pacific systems has over-delivered on rainfall, so we'll find the higher rain totals amount in the European model, and this is what we'll go with. We'll say anywhere between a half-inch and an inch and a half of rain, so flooding may not be on the forefront of our forecast for tomorrow, but keeping things soggy, and just as the mud is trying to dry out, we'll moisten it back up across the region once again. So overnight tonight, temperatures hold in the 40s. We don't see much change in our temperature regime through tomorrow. We'll be between about 45 and 48 degrees over the next 24 hours or so. And then going into tomorrow night, a little bit cooler, upper 30s, lower 40s, and then going into Friday afternoon, finally sunshine and temperatures getting into the middle 50s. So overnight tonight, we'll see generally mostly cloudy skies. It stays chilly, occasional showers and mist. We don't want to miss the forecast, but unfortunately, that's what we have for overnight tonight. 42 the low, and then for tomorrow, showers and some embedded thunder on the way. Cue the special effects. It's going to be rainy for sure. Right around the noon time, there could be some embedded thunder as well. Things will gradually quiet down as we head into the latter part of the afternoon and the evening hours, but lingering showers at least through about this time tomorrow evening. Moving forward into the 10-day forecast, we're looking at a much better weather pattern Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Plenty of high clouds on Sunday and maybe even lower 70s for Monday, so we get a 4-day break, and then it starts all over again. Wet and unsettled, but a little bit milder for the next weather
We need the break.
misery that we'll have next week. At least it'll be milder, but just as wet probably.
All righty. Thank you, Rob.